Hi, my name is Samuel Adiola Music here once again, your one and beloved teacher and friend. Why haven't you subscribed? I'm just here to plead to you. This is 2025 and post Valentine. I mean, show me some love, guys. I bring you good lessons. You know, this quarter, we're going to be talking about how to play your 2-5-1s, 7-3-6, and different chordal progressions that will make you sound like a pro. And one thing, also, I'll be taking you into my behind the scenes, how I prep for a live recording, how I prep for a live rehearsal, a music rehearsals, and many more, downright to music props, things and tools that you would need to take your music and your profession as a musician, either as a pianist, to a new level. Come on, subscribe to your boy, show me some love, and YouTube will recommend this video or those videos to aspiring musicians, aspiring young artists, or aspiring young producers who want to learn how to do things on a pro level. And please, once again, before I go, click that notification bell there before I go. Yes, that's one. God bless you. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Mwah. Love you.